actually surprised it's not storming, because it's looked like it's about to storm for a while now. Many wifeys, I have one, it's enough. My God, I hope you have a wardrobe malfunction. Oh my God, shut the fuck up. Oh my God, you made my flag mad. Don't say that. Do you wear Silent Hill one time in your life? Wait, what? You look like you lost a stone or two since I saw you 2 weeks ago. What? What? What are you talking about? Chat's going weird. Alert, chat's going weird. I'm so confused. What the fuck's going on right now? What's going on, Thanos? How are you? Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm usually the same. Wardrobe malfunction. You had the wardrobe malfunction? No, I didn't. I've had no malfunctions. Kidney stone. 1 stone is 14 pounds. You didn't know that? No. No, I'm not cold. It feels really good outside. 33-minute walk left. Heard that Utah is weird. It was sprinkling and sandy, then stopped. What in tarnation? America malfunction. Blondie scurry. I guess I could like... Tan lines are hot. Yeah, I definitely got tan lines for fucking days, yeah. Sandy, we need you. At least it's pretty paved, the walk back. Bandana's a part of the wardrobe now. Sandy, we need you. Oh, I never knew that. I never knew that it was called a stone. I never knew that. When are you coming to California again? Porsche malfunction. Why walk? You know, I really want to go to California, but obviously with like Corona, I don't know when that's going to happen. Bro, if I listen hard enough, I can hear you very faintly from my window. Are you serious? I think they stopped measuring things in stones a few years ago. Long way, Blondie. Blondie needs several tops like that.